So, I attempted to clip my ends. I don't know if this is good or not, but we're here now, and there's literally no turning back. It's so short. But, we did it. What's going on, you guys? My name is Amber Maria. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am working on a new introduction for my channel. More people are watching it, which I'm super excited about. And Bubbles is in the background. Bubbles! He's actually down here. You can't see him, but he's definitely here. I think the light kind of bothers his eye, so hopefully he doesn't. Hopefully me recording this doesn't, bother him too much. But hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. Like I said, I'm Amber. In today's video, I am going to attempt to do like braids in my hair. Like, the cute little design braids that people are doing. I'm going to attempt to do that. I have a video that I attempted to do that before here. If you want to watch the full video on that, it's pretty hilarious. You can look like up here. I'll put it there. Oh my god, it's so short. Ah! I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna do it different, right? So I'm gonna do like layers. So like I don't know if layer or rows. I'm gonna do rows. So I'm gonna do like one row in the back, one row in the middle, and then this top part, that's what I'm gonna braid back and do designs on. I was gonna put beads and everything, but I don't know if that will look like professional. I'm looking for a place of employment, and I don't want to scare them away. Like, dang, she got beads in her head. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes, and yeah, let's get started. I do love doing this. Like, usually my hair is in its natural state. Yeah, I can't do this. So I love being able to like reach my scalp. But anyway, child, let's go and get into these products. So I was trying to take the Family Dollar label off of it, but it's not working. But anyway, we have our Shine Jam. It's on the Hold Strength of 8. It goes all the way up to 10, and I didn't realize that before. Also, I have some easy edges. I'm most likely not going to use it, but it is here just in case. My lighting has been off. I don't know if you can even see it. You can definitely see the price of it. It was $3.99 at the hair store. And also, after I'm done braiding, I'm going to grease my scalp with Blue Magic hair grease. It's in there. I don't have it out here because I'm probably going to do it off camera. And then I'm going to set it with some mousse I have. But again, we'll get to that point when I get there. So let's do this. Hey guys, so yes, I am going to be coming back to the screen, but I want to do a small voiceover demonstration of me braiding it. So first, I start off by parting my hair at least 2 inches from the nape of my neck. Now, this was my first attempt of doing this. I did go back and make this part a little smaller, and you will see later on in the video, but this is a good angle for me to demonstrate me actually braiding my hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. Once I get that section parted the way I like, I go around with my Shine and Jam and just cover the perimeter of the hair. That's how you get that really nice, crisp, and neat parting. My main focus wasn't the actual hair itself, but again, focusing on the perimeter. I'm going to separate that section into 3 sections. Once I take those 3 sections and make sure it's parted correctly using my index fingers on both hands, I'm then going to braid downward. Once I have my hair in the 3 equal sections, I'm first going to use my dominant hand, for me it's my right hand, take that section, go under the middle section and move it over to the left section. Then take the left section, go under the section that I just moved over, and then continue to go along that path. After I go 2 rounds of this method, I'm then going to take smaller sections of the hair that is not braided, using my thumb to pull towards the hair that is in braids, and continue on that method. I'm pulling that section of hair upward so it can intertwine with the rest. Once I continue with that method going down to the nape of my neck, I'm then going to turn to the side and start plaiting the rest. Once I get to the end of my braid, I'm going to take some gel and wrap that section along my fingers and coil it. Okay, y'all. It is almost 3 o'clock in the morning. I got a little distracted, but this is what I have so far. Alright, so as I mentioned, I redid this section, so I am going to switch over to the other role of me redoing it and me explaining why. What to do, man? Alright, so I know it looks like I didn't get a lot done. So this is day 2 or night 2. This is the next night. All right. So what happened was, so like, you know, I did the very bottom row, right? And then I said I was going to do the row above. So the bottom row, it just didn't look right. So I had to take it down and redo it. So this is what it looks like now. So this is what the bottom row looks like. And this is what the top row looks like. So what I was going to do another row. So it can be 3 row. Wait, how many rows is this? Wait, this is 1 row. I was gonna do an extra row. I can't count. I don't know how many rows I got back there. Y'all let me know in the comments below. But I was gonna do another row. But the way like my time is set up and the way that this is taking entirely too long, I'm just gonna braid the rest back. I'm gonna braid it back, and I want to put like some cute designs. I've been on Pinterest. Here's some inspiration that I saw. Am I gonna do that? I'm not sure. Is it gonna turn out that nice? I'm not sure. But do I have confidence I'm gonna try? Absolutely, we're gonna try. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that. I don't have a goal time as to when I want to finish. I'm gonna give myself an hour to see how far I do. And yeah, Bubs is here. Bubbles. He found his toy. Hey Saint, come here. Anyway, he's here. He found his toy, so he's about to go play with that. But yeah, I'm about to work on this. Oh, also, so I was gonna put, as I mentioned a couple of times before, I was gonna put beads at the end of it. I think it will look cute, but you know, like, so the reason why I'm doing this style is I'm going to my very first baseball game tomorrow. I've never been to one. And I was gonna wear a baseball cap with my hair laid back, with my baby hairs, my hoop earrings, and my jersey. You know, nails did, hair did, you know, eyebrows did. Well, I gotta do my eyebrows too. But I was gonna do all of that. And like putting it in a ponytail with the beads, I'm not sure how that would work. Excuse me. Plus, are beads like a thing now? Can we do that? I'm not really sure. But anyway, I am rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, y'all. I pray it turns out well. I'm so scared right now, but I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. I'm back. Alright, so this is just me parting my hair. This is me attempting to do like a cool design that's on Pinterest. And this is how it turned out. It didn't do as bad as I wanted it to do. I was pretty geeked, as you can see. Girl, don't play with her. Please don't ever play with her. That's what's going on in my head. But I'm just gonna continue this style, and I use the monitor, or I like to call it a monitor, my iPad, to help me see so I can part somewhat correctly, and I have my camera behind me. I just use the Canon app, so it kind of mirrored itself. This is just me bringing it back. This was an interesting experience. Would I do it again? Not anytime soon, but I am glad that I was able to try it, and my goal is to leave it in here for like a month. I'm not trying to touch my hair for a month at all. Okay, I don't even know what day it is. Is this day 3 of me working on this? Like, child. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. All right, so this is what my hair looks like. I know the baby hairs are not doing this thing. Don't look at this. Okay, look at the braids. Like, literally don't look at my edges. So I was gonna put beads and everything on the ends of my hair, but I think I'm just gonna wear it back in a ponytail. But this is what the braids look like. They're not the neatest. I really want to redo this one. Like, these two, I really want to redo it. I'm probably going to in a second. I'll probably take them down. What had happened was I had a baseball game to go to, and obviously I wore a cap on my head, so that's why my hairs look like that. This is taking entirely too long, and it's not as cute as I thought it would be, but I think it's because, like, I'm not sure exactly what I was trying to accomplish here, and it looks ugly to me, so I'm definitely gonna take these two down. I don't like them. But yeah, y'all, just stay tuned. Thank you for staying this long. Also, I got some new, I never tried this before. I know we were used to this Shine and Jam, the one that's in the yellow container, but I decided to get this orange one, and just to give y'all like a quick review of them, this is the yellow one. It has an 8 hold, and this is the orange one, has a 10 hold. This one flakes, okay? This one, the Shine and Jam Supreme hold, this one leaves like a white residue. This one does not. So I know this says a quote-unquote stronger hold, but it does leave a white residue. So just keep that in mind. If you do decide to use that, it will leave like a white residue. This one did not, but it doesn't have as strong of a hold. So just in case somebody was curious about it. But let me fix it, y'all. Let me fix it. Hey guys, I am back. It's been a couple of days, but I'm back. My hair is finally done, and would y'all see it? Oh, you see them edges? You see them edges? So this is what it looks like from the back. Okay, so super cute. I like it. It's just not parted exactly how I want it, but it's okay. It's all right. I will take it, you know. But yeah, this is the look. I'm here for it. It's giving early 2000 Y2K, at least in my opinion. But yes, it's the final look. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, comments, or anything positive you want to leave, be sure to leave it down below. And if you like this look, it's giving Y2K. If you like this look, be sure to check out this video right here. I have a breakdown on what I did to achieve this look. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Peace.